Annyeonghaseyo everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share something very close to my heart, my very first K-drama experience, which is none other than emotional, magical and beautiful drama, Guardian, the lonely and great god, which is also known as Goblin. So how I found about Goblin. So I was bored and during the time of lockdown, and I was kept searching for something new to watch and something fun to watch, and then I found Goblin on MX Player, and I don't know why, but I just click on it and start watching it, and trust me, that was the best decision ever. And from the very first episode, I was completely hooked, and watching just one drama can completely change my life. I didn't know at that time. Okay, let's talk about my favorite scene. It was like there are many scenes that are very beautiful, but there was one scene where Goblin and Jeontak met in the rain. It gave me the vibes of fairy tale, the background music, the rain, the sound of the surround. It gave me goosebumps. Okay, let's talk about my favorite character, the best part of this video. Okay, Goblin himself was very amazing. Gong Yu was literally magical, tall, handsome, full of emotion. My heart, it was completely stolen by someone else. Yes, it was Grim Reaper, played by Lee Dong Wook. Okay, so from the very first scene he ended, I was like, who is this man in black hat and coat who looked so cool and cold and serious and mischievous, but kind of cute at the same time. At first, I'm just curious to know about him, but as the story unfolded, I found myself kept falling for him more deeper, as he has a beautiful heart behind his quiet face. And let's talk about the chemistry between Grim Reaper and Sunny. They were so magical and cute together. Their shy smiles, talk, and their sad moments make it perfect. They complete each other. They felt like watching a real-time movie and a real-time story. And honestly, I paused the episode many times whenever Lee Dong Wook appears. Of his smile, his eye, I felt more deeper with him, and my heart melts whenever he came to any scene, and I replayed his moments more than the main couple. He made me realize that a silent character can be more powerful. Like he is not just a side character for me or a silent character. He is just a whole new emotion for me at that time. And yes, I even watch his all other drama as well, and I watch his other drama too, like all drama, like Tale of Nine Tails. It was amazing. It was literally amazing, and I kept falling for him after watching his drama as well, because okay, let's talk about how long it took me. So Goblin has 16 episodes, and I completed in 2 days because I can't stop myself from watching it. I kept saying like just one or more episode, and boom, I complete it in 2 days. So this drama made me laugh like a idiot, smile like a crazy one, and cry like a baby. This drama holds a lot of emotion, like a mixture of emotion. I fell in love with every single episode. It's not just a drama, it's talk about the ending. I personally don't like the ending of the drama because it's my personal opinion. Okay? I felt like it would be uh, a little bit happier because the ending was little sad, and I don't like the ending, but maybe it make it so memorable. Okay, let's talk about how many times I watched it. I lost count as I watched it many times, and every time I watch it, it feels like I'm watching it for first time, as I found something new every time I rewatch it, and I love each and every episode of it, and I kept falling for him, and I even remember some dialogues by my heart now. To be honest, Goblin soundtrack is on another level, but like everyone's favorite, to stay with me. It's not my favorite. My favorite one is Hush. It is full of sadness, emotions, and it completely suits the vibe of the K drama Goblin, as the sad and emotional scenes completely match with it, and I love that song because I don't know about anything, but whenever I study it, gave me a concentrated vibe, and that surrounding which helped me a lot in my that time. Let's talk about did I learn some Korean words from it. So yes, I learned some cute and useful Korean words from it, like ajushi, ajuma, sarange, nasa sarange, and gumao, annyeonghaseyo. I learned these words from Goblin, and many more are there also. So let's talk about what Goblin taught me. So Goblin taught me about love. Firstly, love, because it's a romantic and rom-com drama. So it said that it taught that love is not about being together every time. It's about the connection that we hold in our soul. Like if we can't be together in future, but we will still stay together, like the time we enjoy the share food and do everything, we like to be together every single time. Beyond love, it shows about the sacrifices we do for our loved ones, whether it's for our parents, for our cousins, and for our sibling, brother, sister, and for our friends as well. It's not about the love of a partner, it's about a person with whom we are truly in love with, and it shows about the forgiveness, the importance of forgiveness, like about the time when Sunny forgave Grim Reaper for his sin, and Grim Reaper also who forgave himself for his past life, and it's all about forgiveness, love, self-care, and care for others, and the drama itself hold a lot of sacrifices. It told a lot about life, and it's not just a fictional one, but it is a life-changing drama. If we watched it with some emotions, and want to learn something for ourselves as well. So let's talk about the genre of the drama. It's the mixture of fantasy, emotions, and sadness, and a little bit funny too. And what I love most about this drama, the story, the acting, and deep emotions, and it felt like a poetry on the screen itself. Let's talk about did I still love it? I completely in love with it. Like I want to rewatch it again and again. And for me, Goblin is always like a special gift, like my first drama and my favorite and comfortable drama till now. As I felt like it's if someone who wants to watch something new, and something that really touched his soul, and really special, and really want to feel special, then you should that particular one should watch this drama. Goblin was not just a drama, it's full of roller coaster of emotions, and it opens a new emotional and cultural door for me, as from Korea, and I want to learn more about Korean culture, drama, and want to enhance my knowledge and knowledge for other countries and other nations as well. If you haven't watched K drama till now, please check it out and please check Goblin firstly. And if you watched it, so let's cry and laugh together. And in the end, I want to say you, let's meet again. Let's talk about Goblin again. And from now, I want to thank you everyone to watch the video till the end.